This is a very simple but interesting paper caterpillar. For this you need a 4 cm into 25 cm thick paper. I have taken a red color chart paper, fold it in the middle, then again fold the same way the way I am showing. All the fold, don't press too much. Then with a scissor cut both sides round and open it up again. See, it has a spring kind of action. See, now both sides just twist a little bit, and the front make it round. Now see carefully, the front is straight and then the body is going up like an arch. Now I'm carefully mark this point because we have to press that area to get the spring action, and we'll not press with our hand, we'll blow air with a pipe. I just made a paper straw. Just roll a paper around a pencil and get your own straw like this. Now if you blow there, you can see because of the spring action it will move forward, and the movement is like a caterpillar. See the movement? Isn't it cool? Very cool, interesting, looks very good, easy to play. You can make multiple and do competition with your friends. Yes, I got an idea. Can I make it like a robot, a battery operated robot? Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell.